Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, April 11th, 2001, 8 am. The decision to make my son peruse these writings is a good one. It is necessary to stop this propensity to move away from the source of Sahaj Marg and to be vigilant. We had to address the issue once again. Even though they are apparently satisfied with what they receive, men like to add their own mark to what is given to them, and hence the regrettable drifts which occur in long standing spiritual ways. That is how human nature is. He who meditates cannot regulate his mind for a long time without it straying and moving away from its objective. His mind leads him to intellectual wanderings that slow down his spiritual progress. In order to blossom, his heart requires serenity. His soul yearns for receiving appropriate food as well as inner peace. Can he provide them? Not sufficiently. After a break, he sets out again with renewed vigor in this mental gymnastics, which he cannot do without. Creating calm in him requires a long training process. His will must be invoked to overcome all thoughts assailing him and which, like a wild mount, he can hardly control. Time will come when, with much patience and perseverance, he will easily establish inner peace to be connected to the divine. Babuji Maharaj. Same day at 10 am. My daughter, we do not dictate these messages to you word for word. That would be tedious for you as well as for us. You capture our thought very faithfully. You do your level best, which we appreciate, believe me. Do you believe that we would have continued this work otherwise? Be reassured, all is well. At first, some issues can bother you a little bit, but you manage to free yourself of their impressions in you and you accept our desire for expression. We have good reason for choosing the topics we try to address. We would like to always talk about love, about beauties of the soul, and spiritual joys, but life on earth is not restricted to that. Man is grappling with so many contradictory impulses which destabilize him. We try through our remarks to enlighten him and make him see reason. The best of our candidates, the most convinced and well balanced, sometimes need to be delivered a particular statement to help them recover a behavior that is more right. There is no such thing as perfection. Everyone yearns for it, but not many can find it here below. The way toward it is long, hence the role of the master in human evolution. The medium says, O Babuji, my heart aspires to withdraw from the world because all is nothing and God is all. The notation it is true. This simple reason should be enough to satisfy man's heart, but he still needs to convince himself of that and to feel it in him intensely. May your efforts lead you towards this goal and acknowledge this truth as the only important thing. Babuji Maharaj.